The first step, you have to take the screenshot of your Instagram profile. Okay, take the screenshot. Friends, open PicsArt app. Now tap on this plus icon, tap on this background, now tap on this white background. Now go to tools, go to crop, tap on this portrait, now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the background. This is the first step. Simply stretch it out, arrange in the perfect. Now tap on tick. Now I have to go to draw, tap on draw, tap on shapes, select this circle. Now tap on fill, tap on OK. Now tap on this colors, select this fillet and select this orange color. I have to draw one circle like this. Now arrange perfectly like I am doing in the video. Arrange it like this. It is perfect. Now go to layers, tap on plus, tap on empty layer. Go to shapes. Now select this stroke. Simply draw one circle like this and bring it down perfectly down here. Now tap on erase. I have to erase like this. It is perfect. Now again go to layers, tap on plus, tap on empty layer. Now select the shapes, select the line, tap on OK. Go to colors, select the black color, tap on tick. And you have to draw two lines, tap on three dots, tap on transform and arrange it like this. Now tap on tick. Now tap on three dots, tap on copy, tap on transform, arrange it like this. Now tap on tick, tap on tick. Now the first step, go to add photo and select the model image. Friends, the first step, arrange your model perfectly in the center like this. Arrange in the center, zoom in. Now go to shadow, tap on position, keep it 100, keep it 100, tap on adjust, make it 100 and keep it around 25. Tap on eraser, tap on erase, arrange the settings like this. Now erase on the bottom portion. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the Instagram screenshot, profile screenshot. This is a screenshot. First step, go to crop. Now we have to crop this profile, followers, post, following. Now tap on tick. Now go to blend, make it multiple and you have to arrange in this portion. It's perfect. Again go to add photo and select the screenshot. Go to crop. I have to crop the bio. Now tap on tick. Again go to blend and make it multiple. This time I have to arrange this bio in this portion. Okay. Now tap on tick. The next step, go to add photo and select the model standing pose model image. It's perfect. Now take this shadow and arrange this shadow here. Tap on layers, tap on move down. It is perfect. Now tap on tick. Next we have to add the little more PNGs. Go to add photo. Now we have to arrange this Instagram logo in this portion here. The love PNGs. Tap on layers, tap on duplicate and arrange another one here. Now tap on tick and select the Instagram screenshot. Now we have to go to cutout, tap on shapes, tap on circle. Now arrange one here. Again go to add photo, select the screenshot. Improve share, go to cutout, tap on shapes, tap on circle. Now arrange another one in this portion. Perfect. Now tap on it. Friends, finally our special tutorial is completed. If you want, you can go to tools, go to adjust, you can give the little touch up for the perfect output. Okay, you can give the little touch up. You can also use Lightroom for the little touch up. Now tap on it. This is the before, this is the final output. Tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.